Okay, so here's the Outlander, and the bumper plate protector is going to go right here. So for the installation, you need to open the tailgate so you can access this part. So it's important you degrease it with a clean cloth, degreaser, make sure there's no dust, no nothing. I've done this already on this one, but you do it yourself before you're putting it on. And then what we'll do is we'll stick this emblem, not emblem, but the bumper protector on right here. So let me take it out of the plastic. We'll just put it on, see how it looks, and then we'll tape it. Okay, let's get to it. We have the rear bumper protector right here. The first thing we want to do is unwrap the plastic so we understand how to best place it and where. Probably once you've done it a couple times, it's easier and easier. Like I mentioned, I've never put this bumper plate on the Outlander before, so we're learning a little bit together, okay? Okay, let's take this off so it's not in our way. It'll be much easier to understand. Okay, wow, it looks already so nice and gorgeous. Now, the most important part here is to understand where it's gonna sit, okay? So it's easy to see with this, match it up against this trunk latch right here. And then the important part is to make sure we align with the shape of the bumper, right? Because the bumper, as we can see right here, goes here, and then we have this curved edge right here. So it's important that we align it properly. Now, there's basically two ways how you can do it. You can either fasten like this, like remove the glue and kind of like, you know, hope that you align it properly. Or the best way is just to go like this, find the perfect position for it. Use again the masking tape. And you just align, okay, make sure that this one was the up, this one is side. You kind of match it a little bit where it's supposed to be, okay? So that way you can easily see, okay, like this is where it was supposed to go, and then there's no guessing game. So that way we can see where to align it. And what we can do here, we can also put one right here. So it's essentially easier. Once we have the tape off, we go like this and go like this, and then we align, and then we just glue it on, right? So we'll do here the same thing on this side as well. Make sure we have the right measurements in place. Okay. All right. Now we know where it goes. Okay, we have it here. It's lined up here. Perfect. It'll look great. So now what we can do is we can remove this part here. And again, this is the double-sided tape, so it's really sticky. You want to make sure that you're taking your time, not rushing with it. If you allocate half an hour, you'll be more than fine. But if you rush, if you don't measure properly, that's where mistakes will happen. And it's pretty sticky to fix it afterwards. So I would not want to be in that position. Okay, that tape is off. Okay, let's go like this. Like I said, the main thing is not to rush, okay? Now, we have these things in place, right? We lined it up. perfectly. Okay, excellent. This part is awesome, perfect. And we just stick it on, okay? We go like this. A little bit forced, but not too much. We don't want to break the bumper. Okay, and now the bumper protector plate officially is on. We remove the masking tape. And look at that. Turned out really great. Let's have a closer look. And this is how it turned out. I think it's awesome. Look how good it looks on the bumper. We lined it up properly. See where the bumper shape goes? It goes right here. Looks good. Let's close the trunk. Okay, that's how it looks. Matches really well with the Outlander hood emblem. I like it a lot. It was worth doing it. And as we just saw, we just installed the Outlander bumper protector. It wasn't all that difficult, takes a little bit time, takes a little bit practice, I guess, but if you do it for the first time, just don't rush and you'll be fine. And it looks really great. It matches really well with the chrome elements on the car. So thanks again for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of the content like this. And you can also check out a bunch of videos on Outlander on my YouTube channel, Mr. Mitsubishi. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.